Ladies and gentlemen, man, Nike and Jordan Brand for sneakers have been on it with the lows this year. Now, you know, we already went ahead and reviewed the Obsidian lows that's playing in the background right here. And Nike was like, you know what? We're bringing back all the old colorways and we're giving you guys low versions of it. And honestly, Nike executed perfectly. Nike and Jordan Brand, chef's kiss. Because today, we're taking a look at the Air Jordan 1 Low Rookie of the Year. And I'm gonna be real with you, these look really, really good. Really good. I honestly think I liked it a little bit better than the Obsidians just because I love that tan, the way it hits. Oh, they did these right. Let's take a look at these right now. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nefred. I hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very blessed day. Happy Friday, everyone. Hope you're having a great day. As you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I'm bringing you guys yet another sneaker review. Now, the sneaker that we're taking a look at today is, or actually the brand that we're taking a look at today is Nike and Jordan Brand. And the sneaker is a throwback from, I want to say 2000 and, was it 15 or 16? You guys will correct me down below. But this was on an Air Jordan 1 High, the Rookie of the Year. And now we finally got a low cut version. And I'm excited because back then I was not able to go ahead and get them because I wasn't into shoes like that heavy. And I didn't want to go ahead and pay like the resale for it because it is a little bit up there. But I just knew that Jordan Brand and Nike were trying different things out and they decided to go ahead and give us a low version of this. So in today's video, we're looking at the Air Jordan 1 Low Rookie of the Year. And man, a lot of people, in my opinion, they've been having mixed feelings about this. Like, people like them, but they also don't like them. But over on Sneakers app this morning, they did go ahead and sell out. So I don't know what the up and downness is with this shoe. And stores are pretty much still sitting though. But with retail price being $140, I think these are really nice. And I think this is a shoe that I really feel though, if you kind of wait on it, you will go ahead and these will go on sale. Just kind of be patient, but who knows? So with all that said though, before we go ahead and take a look over at these Rookie of the Years, as you can see from the Finish Line bag we went ahead and got, I do want to give you guys your kudos and I want to give you guys your shout outs because as you know, I greatly appreciate you guys and I want to make sure you're taken care of first and foremost. So let's go. Righty, first and foremost, before we even take a look at these Rookie of the Year lows, thank you, and thank you so much for all the love and support that you show each and every time I upload a video, my shorts, all my medias, Instagram, TikTok. You guys are really amazing and I want you to know it does not go unnoticed. I know a lot of you guys like seriously tell me, we appreciate you, we enjoy what you do, but I want you to know I enjoy what you guys do. So if this is your first time checking out any of the channel or any of the content, hit that like button for me. That way we can go ahead and anytime I upload a video like you're seeing right now, you can be the first alerted and notified. The goal this year is 10K and we are knocking at that door with just surpassing 3,200. So I know we're gonna hit it. I just need your love and support. It's not me, it's we. Also, if you like to go ahead and you want to get featured like you see right here, comment down below and engage with the channel. The only way you're going to get featured right here is if you engage with the channel. And you can see all these people right here. I do go ahead and actually select you. I manually do it. It's not like I have something automated to go ahead and do it. I select it myself. So I promise you, if you stay consistent with me, I'll stay consistent with you. So comment down below for a chance to get featured like you see right here. So with all that said, now let's take a look at these Rookie of the Year lows. Let's go. Ooh, here we go, here we go. So I did go ahead and pick this up over at Finish Line, and like I did go ahead and say, mainly just sneakers, Nike sneakers, these sold out. You know, Nike's been trying to be a little finicky this year in terms of like stocks, but in like multiple stores, Finish Line, Champs, Foot Locker, Shoe Palace. I did my rounds when I went to go pick them up. They're pretty much sitting. They're kind of, I think these are going to do the exact same thing the Obsidians did. And like I said, if you wait, you might be able to go ahead and catch a sale. So just kind of be patient for that. But Here we go right here. Here is the box, and I love the box presentation because normally, as you can see, it's usually black and red, but for the last couple of colorways, they've decided to go ahead and give us kind of like the color towards the shoe, which I like. So as you see right here, you have a Nike logo. It is done in that red, and then you have that nice tan, which goes all around the entirety of the shoe. As you can see, there has a size description right there. We're gonna look into it right now. Now, when it comes to Air Jordan 1 lows, I recommend going true to size, but personally, going a half size down wouldn't hurt either. Like I said, these are sitting in stores, so do go ahead and try them on and you'll be able to find your size. This is the Air Jordan 1 low. It does read Retro Low OG. This is Sail Black Golden Harvest and 10.5. SKU code on this goes ahead and read CZ0790107. And let's go ahead and turn it so you wonderful individuals can go ahead and see. And it's weird, a lot of people have been actually calling these a little bit different. I've been hearing these on Nike sneakers. They call these like the Harvest, the Golden Harvest, Rookie of the Year. And these are Rookie of the Year. And I'm really enjoying how Jordan Brand is taking a lot of the high colorways and they're taking those colorways and making them into a low. Jordan Brand executed perfectly. Nike, keep on doing that. Let's try to get those pine green 1.0s into a low as well. But as we go right here, when you open up the box, you see the lid. You do have regular tissue paper, nothing like, you know, super fancy. But as we pull it back right now in 3, 2, and 1, woo! Here we go, right here, the Air Jordan 1 low in the Rookie of the Year colorway. And I did go ahead and try these on when I picked them on because I just wanted to see the fitting for it. So I did go ahead and lace them up. But there they go right here. And I'm actually gonna lower the ring light just a teeny bit. That way we can go ahead and see just a little bit more depth for this. But yeah, these things are crispy and clean. Let's go ahead and bring out the other one right now and let's take a look at it together. And boom, here we go right here. We got the Air Jordan 1 low Rookie of the Year. And man, these are really, really beautiful. I like these a lot. I'm enjoying these. When I saw them, I was like, yes, I gotta go ahead and grab these. And you know, with the way the market for shoes is today, you never know how it's gonna do. Like I said, I really feel these might go on sale, but I was like, you know, yeah, I had to go ahead and grab them. So let's go ahead and take a look at the, what do we want? We want to look at the lace-up version, or we want to look at the regular? You know what? Let's look at the left. Let's put this one over here. So starting with the outsole, like your regular Air Jordan 1 outsole, you have an all black outsole. You do have the Nike logo right there in the middle. As you come up, you do go ahead and get the nice white outsole. The side, I'm glad they didn't go ahead with no age. I would have felt like if they would have went ahead and did an age on this, I'd have been like, what are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Coming up to the toe box right here, you get a nice plush toe box right there. You have your black laces. Unfortunately, it does not come with extra laces. I wish it kind of did. You got your nylon tongue right there with the Nike Air done in that red stitch. Looks very lovely. As we turn to the back right here, you have more of that nice tan suede, and then you get hit with the Wings logo right there. As we go ahead and turn it, you can go ahead and see we do have the nice swoosh, which if I'm not mistaken too, actually, yeah, when I feel it, there's nice suede on there. So very, very nice. Let's go ahead and pull out the shoe tree right here, ladies and gents. As you see, the shoe tree is an all black shoe tree, but you have your Nike Air done in that red, just like on your nylon tongue right there. Let's go ahead and show you guys so you can go ahead and see. And these are nice. These are nice. I said, again, I'm really loving the fact that Nike and Jordan Brand are taking the high cut colorways. They're taking the high cut, those colorways, and they're making them into a low. I feel like that's really nice, executed nicely. And I feel like the lows are a little bit better than the, I mean, I wouldn't say better. I just kind of find myself now with so many different shoes that I have rotating a lot. And I feel like I wear my lows a lot more than my highs. But these are really, really clean. Let me know what you think about that. Let's go ahead and pull out the other one right here. And as you can see, this is what it looks like with the black laces in there. Very nice, very lovely. Wish they would have came with some extra laces, but with so many shoes that we have a lot of boxes in here. We have a lot of laces in here. I'll probably go ahead and throw on the cream laces that came with the Obsidians. But let me know how you're feeling about them. I am gonna go ahead and break away to an on-feet review here shortly. Before I do, I wanna give you guys a closer perspective, because if you're on the fence or like, I don't know, man, when you watch this review, you can go ahead and be like, you know what, after watching this review, now I'm kind of leaning towards if I want to buy them or not. So let's get a closer perspective, shall we? So here we go. Right here, we got the Air Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. And for a low, these are clean. These are looking really nice. I like the nice wheat tan colorway it has on the suede. I like the tumble leather on the outer of the white right there. I like the swoosh. I think everything about these are clean. And I don't know, man. I don't know. Maybe these will go on sale. Maybe they won't. I kind of hope they go on sale. I would like another pair just because man, when the highs came out back in the day, I kind of slept on those just because I just was like getting into shoes. But these are, yeah, this is really, really clean. But do let me know what you think about the Air Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year down below, guys. Is it the cop? Is it the drop? Are you gonna grab it? Is it a pass? There's so much other stuff coming out, but let me know how you feel about these. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this has been the review of the Air Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. Let me know how you feel about them. I'm enjoying these a lot. 10 out of 10 for me, A+. I'm enjoying these tremendously. Can't wait to go ahead and get these on feet right now. On feet review is coming. Love you guys so much. Stay tuned for that. Remember, it's only ever gonna be one you. Be the best you. Seriously, guys, I want you to know, this year, you've been showing me lots and lots of love. And I've been finding so many different ways to just incorporate my content the best I can. I'm making shorts, I'm making long form, I'm making TikToks, I'm making Instagram reels. I'm doing a whole bunch of stuff. And I want you to know, the feedback that you guys show me is tremendous. I mean, we're going big this year. We want big numbers. I mean, once I hit that 10K, I have something very special I would like to go ahead and do. So let's run it up. I want you guys to know I just appreciate you so much. But on feet review is coming up right now. Appreciate you. Love you guys. And I'll catch you in the next video, guys. Peace.